Charles Hardin Holly, better known as Buddy Holly, was born on September 7, 1936 in Lubbock, Texas. His parents, Lawrence and Ella Holly, were deeply involved in their local Baptist church, where Buddy's early love for music was nurtured. This strong musical foundation, rooted in his family's faith, played a significant role in shaping his future career as one of rock and roll's most influential pioneers. By age 11, Buddy was already exploring various instruments, including piano and violin, before choosing the guitar as his favorite. He quickly took to performing in public, often alongside his friend Bob Montgomery, participating in local talent shows and radio programs. Holly's early exposure to a wide range of musical genres, from country to blues and rhythm and blues, played a crucial role in shaping the distinctive sound that would later define his groundbreaking career in rock and roll. On February 13th, April 10th, and June 3rd, 1955, 18-year-old Buddy Holly had the chance to open for Elvis Presley during his performances in Lubbock. These experiences left a lasting impact on Holly, who was deeply inspired by Elvis's dynamic performances and magnetic stage presence. Watching Elvis seamlessly blend country, blues, and rhythm and blues into a new musical style fueled Holly's own experimentation with rock and roll, ultimately helping him develop the signature sound that would define his career and influence the birth of rock music. The world quickly recognized his exceptional talent, as his innovative approach to music, including his pioneering use of double-tracked vocals and the popularization of the classic rock band lineup of 2 guitars, bass, and drums, distinctively set him apart from his peers. At just 20 years old, Buddy Holly and his band, the Crickets, released their hit single, That'll Be the Day, in 1957, which quickly soared to the top of the charts. This breakout success marked the beginning of his rapid ascent to fame. By the age of 22, Holly had already made a profound impact on the music industry, recording numerous hits and pioneering groundbreaking techniques in rock and roll that would influence generations of musicians to come. Buddy Holly's final performance took place on February 2, 1959 at the Surf Ballroom in Clear Lake, Iowa, as part of the Winter Dance Party Tour. Holly headlined the event alongside rising star Ritchie Valens and the Big Bopper. Tragically, just hours after the concert, Holly boarded a small plane to his next tour stop, but the plane crashed shortly after takeoff, claiming the lives of all on board. 22-year-old Buddy Holly, 17-year-old Ritchie Valens, 28-year-old JP the Big Bopper Richardson, and the 21-year-old pilot Roger Peterson. This tragic event, later known as the Day the Music Died, ended all their promising careers far too soon. Several items were found near the wreckage of the plane crash. Among them was a yellow gold watch, generally believed to have belonged to the Big Bopper, and a distinctive white gold Omega wristwatch belonging to Holly. Buddy Holly's Omega was a 14-karat white gold gentleman's timepiece, adorned with 45 single-cut diamonds set around the bezel. The caseback was engraved with the inscription, Buddy Holly 12-1-58, marking it as a Christmas gift from his wife. Remarkably, the watch remained largely undamaged in the crash, with only the stem missing. The dial was still in good condition, and the mechanisms were found to be in working order. From 1956 until 2006, Buddy's wristwatch was in the possession of his widow, Maria Ellen Holly. She kept the watch as a cherished memento of her late husband. In 2006, she decided to auction the watch, where it was sold for $155,350 at a Heritage Auctions event to an anonymous fan, a woman near San Francisco. Buddy Holly's impact on music is undeniable, profoundly shaping the landscape of rock and roll. John Lennon and Paul McCartney frequently acknowledged Holly as a pivotal influence, with the Beatles even naming their band in tribute to Holly's group, the Crickets. As a trailblazing pioneer, Holly's innovative sound and songwriting not only defined an era, but also laid the groundwork for countless future artists, cementing his legacy as one of the most enduring and influential figures in music history.